Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Let R be the compression ratio, so R is equal to V1 by V2 is equal to 8 as given, and C is equal to isentropic compression efficiency is equal to 85%, and T is equal to isentropic expansion efficiency is equal to 95%, P is equal to inlet pressure is equal to 13 psia, T1 is equal to inlet temperature is equal to 60 degree F is equal to 60 plus 460 is equal to 520 R. We just change degree F into R. So T3 is equal to maximum temperature is equal to 2300 degree F is equal to 2760 R. Now R is equal to 0.3704. Cp is equal to 0.24 BTU per IBM R. Cv is equal to 0.171 BTU per IBM R. K is equal to 1.4. Now draw the TS diagram as I am drawing for better understanding of this problem and to know more about all the process that taken under this problem. So just draw as I am drawing here, and then we will point all this temperature and entropy in this diagram. So first draw it as I am drawing. After that, here it is T and here it is S. Let point 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 dash and 2 dash. Now just see the process 1 to 2 dash. In process 1 to 2 dash, dash is isentropic compression process. T2 dash by T1 is equal to V1 by V2 whole to the power k minus 1 is equal to 8 to the power 1.4 minus 1. We just put the given value, or T2 dash by 520 is equal to 8 to the power 1.4 minus 1. On solving, we get T2 dash is equal to 1194.6 R. Now Q in is equal to heat supplied per unit mass is equal to CV T3 minus T2. On putting the given value 1.71 into 2760 minus 1313.64, or Q in is equal to 247.32 BTU per IBM. That is our answer. Now in process 4-1, that is isentropic process, so T4 dash by T3 is equal to V3 by V4 dash whole to the power k minus 1, or T4 by T3 is equal to V2 dash by V1 whole to the power k minus 1. Now we will put the given value. T4 dash by 2760 is equal to 1 by 8 whole to the power 1.4 minus 1, or T4 dash is equal to 1201.35 R. That is our answer. Now NEX is equal to isentropic expansion efficiency is equal to T3 minus T4 by T3 minus T4 dash. On putting the above given value, we get 0.95 is equal to 2760 minus T4 by 2760 minus 1201.35, or T4 is equal to 1279.28 R. That is our answer. Now W net is equal to net work done, or net work done of this cycle can be calculated as W net is equal to W3234 minus W12 is equal to CV T3 minus T4 minus CV under bracket T2 minus T1, taking CV common and putting the given value T3 minus T4 minus T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.1712760 minus 1279.28 minus 1313.647 minus 520. On solving, 117.48 BTU per IBM is our answer. Now, N thermal efficiency is equal to W net by Q in. Just put the above calculated value 117.48 by 247.32, or N thermal efficiency is equal to 0.475 is equal to 47.5%. Now mean effective pressure MEP is equal to W net by V1 minus V2, but V1 is equal to RT1 by P1 is equal to 0.3704 into 520 by 13, or V1 is equal to 14.816 FT cube per IBM. V1 by V2 is equal to 8, so V2 can be calculated as 14.816 by 8 is equal to 1.852, or mean effective pressure is equal to W net by V1 minus V2. Just put the above given calculated value 117.48 by 14.816 minus 1.852 into 778 into 1 by 114 is equal to 48.96. So that is our answer. I hope you understand.